Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a Sortly inventory management tutorial for beginners. Now this video will have everything you need to get started with Sortly inventory management. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the Sortly dashboard, and since we're using a new account with their free trial, then we actually have a guided or assisted demo, if you may, for beginning with Sortly. So if you need to create an account, just head to their website, search for it right here, and then it should appear on the top list, which should say Sortly Inventory Simplified. Then head to their website and go ahead and click on Start a Free Trial. Now, if you want to subscribe immediately, let's say you don't need to begin with a trial, then you can directly do so. They will automatically ask you once you follow the prompts for signing up for a new account. They have these yearly or annual subscriptions, or you can also go for their monthly subscriptions right here, depending on your preference. And once you're starting with your sign up process, they'll actually ask you for the type of business or what your purpose is. So it can either be personal, or you can also link your business if you have a business name, and then what type of products you're planning to track, or other purpose for using Sortly. So now we're gonna head back to our dashboard here. Now before we get started, Sortly is basically a user-friendly inventory management software that helps businesses and individuals track, organize, and manage their inventory. So here, we're going to try to follow along the assisted guide right now. So here under all items, we can organize with folders. So you can easily manage your items by grouping them within folders. You can create folders for locations, categories, conditions, or anything else. Now here, advanced search, you can quickly filter and find items across all your folders in seconds. Then there are also alerts on the notifications tab. So stay on top of your stuff with low stock notifications and date reminders. And then there's also add items or folders. So we have bulk import, add item, add folder, where you can get started by creating your first item or folder. All right, so basically that's it. It's just a simple and quick assistance from Sortly. We have the dashboard right here. So we're just going to check. There's an inventory summary. We have 0 items, 0 folders, total quantity, and total value. Set folders right here. You can also see a recent activity and recent items and stock levels as well. So at a glance, you already have a good idea of the current status of your inventory. And you can also have instant access to your inventory in the field anywhere by downloading the Sortly app on your iOS or Android. So that'll be useful if you're always on the go. So let's head back to our items and let's try adding a new item right here. So first item, let's say t-shirt. We have 50. Set a minimum level to easily identify low stock items. All right, item will be highlighted when its quantity is at or below minimum level. So let's say our minimum level is 5. Then you can set an alert at or below minimum level 5. This alert will be sent to either yourself, owners, admins, team members, depending on your preference, or you can select people manually if you have a list. Of course, you need to manage your users first. So basically, that's that. I'm just going to confirm it so that we have an alert. And then the price, we have yet to change the currency. So anyway, You can also upload the photos right here, which is of course needed to showcase your item. And then if the item has variants, you can toggle this. For example, if it has multiple options like different sizes or colors, then feel free to indicate them here. Say size options, type options separated by comma. So make sure to separate each size or each attribute by a comma. So for example, we have small. All right, so it automatically populates like that. Once you press comma, medium, and large. Okay. We could add another attribute. Let's say color. Say we have white, blue, and red. What is this? Show all fields. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's a more detailed view of what we had earlier. There's also tags right here. Let's say clothing, something like that. Whatever tags you want to add. And notes, if there's anything you need to specify. If there's a QR or barcode, you can add them right here. And you can also add custom fields, such as serial number, model or part number, expiry date if it's a consumer good, purchase date, product link, and size as well. Let's try to check how this works. So we have here the field name property sets the name and set the default information to be shown. Field with default text. The placeholder attribute specifies a short hint that describes the expected value of an input field. Example, a sample value or a short description of the expected format. All right, so there's that for a small text box. And this will appear on your product if you want to include it. Oh, it's basically a text box, or you can create your own field right here and then choose the field type and then add it to your product. So there, once you're done with your details on the product, then just click next. And as you can see here, you have, since we've added 2 attributes, namely size and color with 3 variants, then it will show us this list wherein the quantity is 50 for each variant and attribute. And then once we're done with that, we can go ahead and click add. All right, so we now have these items. Of course, unfortunately, we don't have a sample image of that, but that's absolutely necessary if you want to add your own product. You have to include an image so that you can showcase your product. And again, to make things easier, if you have access to bulk import, then you can freely do that right here. So bulk inventory import to add new items to Sortly, simply use our bulk import template. Downloading and using this template helps ensure your data imports accurately. So there. Now let's try checking adding a folder just to show how that looks like. It's as simple as this. Just basically add the name of your folder and the tags. Let's say sample folder. This is a sample folder. And then the photos here, you can add more fields if you'd like again. Or actually, this is just a show all fields section. There's a QR or barcode and add new field right here. And then once you're done, just click on add, and then you'll have a folder right here. Right, so let's check our dashboard to see, and we now have data for our inventory summary. We have 9 items and 1 folder. Let's check sample folder. All right, so we have the recent items here and recent activity. Okay, so it's basically updates live. You can see uh, on our recent activity section. And we now have this total value for all the products we're selling and a total quantity of 450. So basically that's how that works. And again, if you need to go full on with Sortly, just go ahead and upgrade so that you can get started. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.